Hey guys, welcome to the course and happy to see you here inside the training. We are ready to learn absolutely everything about Facebook retargeting. That's why we are here on this training. My goal as instructor is that to guarantee that by the end of this course, you learn all you can about Facebook retargeting. And especially, not just learn. My goal is also that you apply all the strategies that you will learn here on this course, that you are taking action, that you are creating your ads, you are installing the Facebook pixel on your website, and doing all this in the best way possible. So by the end of this training, you will have ads running on Facebook using all the power of Facebook retargeting, okay? That's my promise, and with that, I am ready to start. I hope you are. If you have any questions at any time during the training, you can use the Q&A session here, and I will personally reply to you, cleaning all the doubts and making sure that you are advancing on the course, and especially on your marketing is the best way to get results. With all that, we are ready to start the training. See you in the next video.